different phase than the other, comparing with the other, but I think two good teams. If you check the start 11s, I think both teams looking for an offensive one. So all the ingredients to have a good day here today.
Coach, looking at the starting lineup, the right back position, you had so many options, Van Rooyen, Shandu, as well as Libizzo. How is it that you decided on the decision you made in that position?
Now we look for versatile players. The players that you mentioned now, they can play in many different positions, the three of them. And we're trying to anticipate some certain scenarios that can happen during the 90 minutes, that's why.
And then up front, again, options galore. Evidence versus Mabasa. Why Mabasa today?
Well, some particular reasons tactically that I'm not going to reveal right now, obviously, but both of them are in a good space. They are ready to compete. Maybe Chejo is starting and Evidence is completing the game.
Speaking of tactics, what is the approach that Orlando Pirates bring to a Soweto derby where both teams like to have possession of the ball? Both teams are very attack-minded.
We want to be ourselves one more day. It's a perfect day to play our football. We know there's going to be moments that we're going to suffer because of the opponent that we're going to have in front, but we're ready.
And then, Coach, the anticipation around especially Rilebogile Mofokeng, and that they want him to do tricks today. They want him to express himself. How do you speak to him on a build-up to a day like this one?
Nothing different. They are in the start 11 because they are ready. That's the best way that I can give them the confidence to play their football. I don't want to see a different Rele than the Rele that we all know, or Muha, or Tito, or Mabasa, all of them. It's an opportunity to play football, to play with personality, and I'm sure they're going to be at the level.
We haven't seen a 0-0 draw since 2017. Will we get goals today?
I'm 100% sure.
Yes, I'm very exciting. It's a big honor for me and a good opportunity. I know this atmosphere, but it's very, very special in Africa. Not only in Africa, maybe like that in Argentina, but here in Africa it's very, very special. I'm exciting. I'm very happy today.
How are you feeling about being back on the bench? You looked frustrated during the suspension.
Tu étais frustré lorsque tu étais dans les tribunes. Qu'est-ce que ça te fait de revenir sur le banc?
Honestly, never change. I'm upstairs, but in the job, never change. I give apology to referee, but me, I respect him. I don't talk. Maybe he understand my bad English. No, but apologize. I want my fans all respect the referee, they respect the opponent. But in the bench, I'm very happy. I don't lose this opportunity. Imagine if I'm out, it's disaster for myself.
And then, Coach, the starting lineup. There are a lot of surprises on your starting lineup. I mean, you start today with Maklo, you're starting with Modi, you're starting with a couple of players that were not expected. What's thinking?
Vous savez qu'on a beaucoup de absences, beaucoup de nouveaux joueurs, beaucoup de blessés. Il fallait tenir compte de rapport de force entre nous et les adversaires, et aussi par rapport aux joueurs en forme et qui ont resté actuellement les deux derniers matchs. Donc, et ça va rester ouvert aussi pour les joueurs qui sont sur le banc.
The situation today it's special because of a lot of injuries that we have had, and as well, the plan of the game today, and we want as well to give to the players that have a good momentum for the last 2-3 games to keep on the same dynamic, but we as well feel that we have a very good bench that can make the difference.
The bench, Kele, Lilepo, the new players, they're on the bench, Coach. Are they just sitting or will you use them?
Est-ce que les joueurs qui sont sur le banc, est-ce que tu vas les utiliser ou ils sont juste assis sur le banc?
No, honestly, we will use them. My only things, because I have only 3-4 sessions training, but I will use them seriously. it's in the plan. It's in the plan. Okay.
It's in the plan, coach. Thank you very much. And your English, it's amazing.